Hello, students. I hope you all are doing well and you all are enjoying your life indoors. So, today's motivational story will be very inspirational for you all because today we are going to talk about a very famous personality. And that personality, as you can see on the screen, is none other than Bill Gates. So, let us start from his childhood. So, students, when he was just a kid, he was very much interested into computers, and that time actually Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955. And at that time computers were into not a very advanced stage. So he was a very brilliant child, but you know what, his parents always wanted him to be a lawyer. But he was not so much interested in becoming a lawyer. He was very interested in becoming something related to mathematics, something related to coding. So, students, he was only 13 years of age when he did his first programming. Yes, he was only 13 years of age when he did his first programming, and this is the level of genius that Bill Gates was. And as you can see, he was not much interested into other activities. He was always interested into computers. He was always interested into coding. So today's inspirational story is all about you can achieve anything. Okay, so if you believe in yourself, you can do anything and you can achieve anything, right? Nothing is impossible. So, only you need is passion. So, students, passion is everything. If you have passion for something, you will do the best, right, students? So, as you can see on the screen, he is only 13 years of age in this picture. His first software program was nothing but a computer game. He used that basic programming, that BASIC, and he was very much into it, and he had to do something into that. He had passion for that, and that is the reason why he started doing programmings, and he programmed the first ever computer game when he was barely a teenager, right? And then he only took interest in programming, and this became his passion. As you can see over here, students, in this photograph, he is very young. He's sitting with a senior over here, and he is trying to do something with the computer. So you see, the computers that time were not the PCs and the desktop that we have right now. It was something of this kind that you can see in the photograph. Yes. And then later on he dedicated his most of the time to studies and all. Later on he scored really well in his studies in his school time, which gave him the opportunity to take admission in the renowned Harvard University. Later on, we know that in the Harvard University, he became a dropout. His parents wanted him to become a lawyer, so he was thinking of taking law, but then later on, he switched to taking his subject as mathematics and computer sciences, because we all know that he is the co-founder of the company Microsoft. Yes. So later on he took computer sciences and mathematics, and this is how he dedicated, as you can see in this picture, that he dedicated most of his time in programming languages, in studying programming, and in inventing new programs, writing programs. He used to dedicate his most of the time in reviewing one line of the programming language. We all know what is programming language, and then reviewing it, understanding it, what we say, making it into an advanced level, making changes basically, right? Later on, we all know that when Bill Gates made his company, it was the Microsoft, and now we know that he is among one of the richest person in the world. So, as you know, now currently the richest person in India and in the whole of Asia is Mr. Mukesh Ambani, and he is Mukesh Ambani is also ranking amongst the sixth most richest person in the world. So, the same way, Bill Gates is also the most richest person in the world, and he did not achieve this. It is not luck, students. So, many a times, what we think that yes, everything is luck, and we are not lucky. You know, these people that you see on the screen, that you see on the television, that you watch on the news are lucky people, but actually they are not lucky, they are just passionate about the things that they do. This is the difference, right? This is the difference in our mentality, that everything is luck. You know, if we don't get something, we just say that we are not lucky. You know, Bill Gates and Mukesh Ambani and all these people are extremely lucky, so they got what they got. But that is not true, students. You know what, they are not lucky, actually they are more hardworking. I think 100 times more hardworking than we are. They don't sleep. They don't sleep much. They don't enjoy their life as much as we do. They don't get to enjoy things freely as we do, because they are constantly after their passion. That is why they are what they are right now, right? So, students, if I talk about the net worth of Bill Gates right now in 2020, it is $105.6 billion US dollars, right? So, this is the net worth of Bill Gates. If I talk about the net worth means, you know, the total money that they have, that is called as net worth, right? How much they own, like, you know, how much their empire is, that is called as net worth. You know, how much money they are actually making, that is called as net worth, right? And if I talk about the net worth of Mukesh Ambani, I think it's around 65 to 70 billion dollars. So you see, these people are not lucky, students. So don't misunderstand that. Yes. So if you also do something with passion, if you are also passionate about something, anything, you don't need to be passionate about coding only or programming languages only. Passion can be of anything. Passion can be about painting, about singing, about dance, about your studies, about a particular subject that you like, about anything in the world. You know, even the smallest thing, you can have passion in it and you can grow it, right? So it all depends on you. So you have the strength to make it. You know what, I'll tell you about my profession. Like, many people say teaching is nothing, like it's very easy. But you know what? You have to be passionate. It's not easy. It is a very difficult job to teach. But you have to be passionate. You have to have interest in it. You have to go after it. Then it becomes something for you. Okay. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So from today onwards, I want you to master your passion. You know, we have fit our passion deep inside. Some people might have passion in reading, not reading exactly, but in writing and all. So what we do, we don't practice, we don't do it. We think, okay, can I do it? Am I capable? So we doubt our own capabilities. So don't doubt your own capabilities. From today onwards, students, what I want you to do, whatever passion that you are having, I want you to do it daily. Maybe it is dance, anything. It is not necessary that it's only studies and studies and studies. Not studies, it can be anything. So from today, we'll go after our passion, until and unless we don't reach the desired place that we want, and we don't then blame luck and what is lucky and what is bad luck and all these things. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this motivational story session and you have enjoyed this great personality, Mr. Bill Gates, who comes in the most world's most richest people. Okay, one of the most richest people. Okay, so thank you, students. I hope you all are staying home, you all are safe at home, you all are actually lockdown is there. I hope you all are doing your exercises, studies, tasks regularly. So, students, thank you. We'll meet in the next video.